Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix network issues in Windows 11 using command prompt. So I will give you a special command prompt which will resolve your all network issues. So guys, let's get started. Go to search bar, type command prompt. As you can see on the top here, command prompt will appear. Now you have to select run as administrator. Click on it. Now select yes. Now command prompt window will appear. Now you have to type ipconfig. Before running this command, I will tell you what is ipconfig. It's a command which built in Windows, which will provide details information about your computer's network configuration. It can help you troubleshoot a variety of network issues like problems with your IP address as well as DNS or even internet connectivity. Now, after putting ipconfig in the Windows prompt, and now you have to tap enter key on your keyboard. Now after pressing keyboard you can view all the network details on your windows of your PC as well as laptop. You will see your network configuration displayed and this includes your IPv4 address, subnet masks, default gateway as well as. Now how to flush DNS cache. Uh, you have to put ipconfig, again write ipconfig here, uh, select space. Now put slash and type flush DNS. Now, before entering, I will tell you what this command prompt will do. This command will clear your DNS resolver cache, which will help you to resolve issues like pages not loading or DNS error. After putting, just tap on enter. Now my DNS flush is working, and you will see a message that says successfully flushed. As you can see here, the DNS resolver cache. And that's it, guys. I hope you like my video and it will solve all your connectivity issues on your Windows 11. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next one and kindly subscribe my channel.